Why did the AI go to therapy? Because it had too many unresolved queries. Did you know? AI models learn by processing huge amounts of data. Sometimes they really do get stuck on confusing questions. Why did the robot break up with its smart glasses? Because it couldn't see a future with augmented reality. Info: smart glasses like Meta Ray-Ban use AR, augmented reality, to overlay digital info onto your real-world view. Why did the AI cross the road? To optimize its pathfinding algorithm. Info: pathfinding algorithms help AI navigate real and virtual worlds. Think self-driving cars or game bots.
What's an AI's favorite type of music? Algorithm and blues. Fact, AI can now compose music, analyze rhythms, and even create personalized playlists. Why did the AI get a job as a weather forecaster? Because it's great at predicting future states. Info: AI is used in weather forecasting to analyze patterns and predict weather more accurately. Why did the smart fridge break up with the AI vacuum? Because it couldn't handle all the emotional baggage. Fact: smart home gadgets often use AI to communicate with each other, sometimes with surprising results.
Why don't AI assistants ever panic? Because they always keep their processes under control. Fun fact, AI voice assistants like Siri and Alexa run on carefully managed algorithms called processes. Why did the neural network get a job at the bakery? It was really good at batch processing. Fact, yeah, batch processing is a way AI models handle large amounts of data at once. Why did the AI bring a ladder to work? To reach the next level of deep learning. Fact, that deep learning refers to AI models with many layers that process data in stages, like a ladder.
Why did the AI go to the gym? Because it wanted to work on its neural networks. Info: neural networks are AI models inspired by the human brain, used for tasks like image and speech recognition. Why did the AI get a job in customer service? Because it was great at handling complaints. Info: AI chatbots are widely used in customer service to handle queries and complaints efficiently. Why did the AI refuse to play chess? Because it didn't want to be checkmated. Info: AI has mastered chess with programs like Deep Blue and AlphaZero beating human champions.
Why did the AI bring the map to the party? Because it didn't want to lose its way in the data maze. Info: AI uses data mapping and visualization to understand complex data sets. Why did the AI start a band? Because it wanted to create some artificial harmony. Info: AI can compose music and generate harmonies using deep learning techniques. Why did the AI break up with its calculator? Because it wanted a relationship with more complex functions. Info: modern AI can handle far more than basic math. It can analyze language, recognize faces, and even drive cars.
Why did the AI wear sunglasses at night? Because its future was so bright with neural networks. Info: neural networks are the backbone of modern AI, powering everything from image recognition to language translation. Why did the AI assistant get promoted? Because it was outstanding in its field of data. Fact: AI is revolutionizing data analysis in fields like healthcare, finance, and agriculture. Why did the robot take a nap? It needed to recharge its batteries and update its firmware. Info: many AI gadgets, from phones to vacuums, require regular software updates to stay smart.